Hello children, welcome back. Are you ready for today's lesson? So today we're going to learn a new way how to read the sound A. You have already met this A, haven't you? Today I'm going to teach you a new way. A, A, A. Poor snail, he's out in the rain. His house is getting all wet. A, snail in the rain. A, snail in the rain. A, snail in the rain. Now, let me give you some words with the A sound. I'm just going to say the sounds and words first, and you repeat after me. Then I will only say the sounds and you say the words. Ready? Aid, paid. S-n-a-o, snail. T-a-o, tail. R-a-n, rain. Aid, paid. S-n-a-o, snail. T-a-o, tail. R-a-n, rain. Now let's see what the sound looks like. A. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends. A. Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. A. A. Snail in the rain. A. 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 Snail in the rain. Your turn. Well done! It's time for another game. I'm now going to show you some sounds that you already know. Your mission is to say them as fast as you can. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a little bit louder. Ready to go? Off we go! Wow, you were really fast at spotting the A sound. And you knew all the other sounds as well. Keep it up. So, today we have learned a new way how to read the A sound. Now it's time for you to go and read and write some words with this sound, okay? I need to go now. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.